Hey everybody, I have a little hack that I wanted to share with you today. So there is some big news in AI. As always, these things change on the daily. So I never know what videos to create because tomorrow they might be different. So we had a release yesterday by DeepSeek. We have DeepSeek 3.1 announced. And I'm super happy for this one because DeepSeek previously had two models. There was R1, the thinking version, and there was V3, which was more the acting coding version. So the thinking one was great. It was great at planning. It was great at thinking, how am I going to do this thing? And the other one was actually better at actually implementing code. But now DeepSeek 3.1 combines both together into a single model, which is hybrid. So it can do the think and it can do the acting together. So already less complication, just need to worry about one model. But the biggest problem with DeepSeek was when it came to tool calling. That was where it was a little bit weaker. So just to give you an idea, if I go here into Klein, and if I say, explain this code to me. So Klein is just a coding agent, and you see that it's doing a few things. So it's reading code, it's reading a few files, and then it's calling. It's also able to edit. So for example, make the README better. So for example, it's also able to edit code. It's trying to use like this write to file here. And this is what we call tool calling. Essentially, tool calling is the ability for a model to communicate an action. This action must be given into a really specific format. This is important because that specific format is the communication layer between the agent and the API. So DeepSeek wasn't good at this, but that's changed. In DeepSeek 3.1, V3.1, they're great at it. They combine the thinking mode, and the best part of it, it's like 10 times or 20 times cheaper than Cloud Code. So we're going to do a little hack today. Here, I found this in the DeepSeek docs, and I'm super happy with it. It is a way because, let me give you some feedback. Cloud Code, in my opinion, is the best agentic coder setup out there. The prompts are really good. Using the Entropic API with Cloud 4.1 or Cloud 4.0 is great, but it's so expensive. But I still like the ergonomics of the Cloud Code CLI. It's really good, but I don't want to pay the full price of like thousands of dollars or the $200 a month subscription. So instead, we will be tricking Cloud Code, the CLI, into using DeepSeek, sorry. So first of all, you'll need an API key. So please register on the DeepSeek platform. Once you are on the DeepSeek platform, you will go ahead and create an API key. This one here that I'm showing on screen, copy it if you want. It's going to be deleted right after. I don't want people to rack me up a bill, so this is just for explanation purposes. So all of these links are in the description. So please, once you're there, go ahead and create a new API key and keep it on the side. So now, going back to the docs. The key to making Cloud Code use DeepSeek R1 is to change these environment variables that Cloud Code depends on to instead calling DeepSeek instead of Entropic. So here, that's what we'll do. We'll go ahead and into our terminal. So in VS Code here, I will just open up my terminal, and I'm exporting all of them one by one. The second one is the key one, where I will just go ahead and paste my key. Obviously, you guys will try to steal it, and that is all right. I'm deleting these keys. Where's that key again? All right, there I am, copying. And I'm going to finish that setup. These last two parameters let you switch the models, but now that the models are unified, our thinking and acting mode are together, no need to specify a big and a small model. So once this is done, you will go ahead and you will instantiate Claude. And what will change now? It's not going to call Entropic anymore. It's going to call DeepSeek. So, for example, explain this repo to me. If we go here, let's see if that works. All right, so as you can see, it's already doing the tool call, it's reading lines, it's reading the README, and this is all done using my API keys from DeepSeek. So there you go. I think you will get results that are quite similar. I would say it's not the same yet. It's not at the same level, but to me, with the price cut, it's 100% worth it. You keep the Cloud Code ergonomics, you get almost as great of a coding model, and you get a big rebate. So let me know if you want more of these little hacks. I could do a video also on my Grok setup with Client, which I think is almost as good. So let me know what you want in the comments, and have a great one, everybody.